Welcome to the City of Prescott's online billing tutorial to assist you in registering for an online utility billing account on the Citizen Self-Service website. This tutorial will take you through the process of registering for an online profile and linking your utility account for the first time. Please note, as a result of a software upgrade, all users will be required to follow this process, even if you have previously set up an online account. You can access the Citizen Self-Service website through the City of Prescott's homepage. From the city's homepage, click on Pay Your Water Bill. This link will bring you to an information page where you can find this video and other instructions to help you register for the first time. You will need the following information to get started: your 10-digit account number from your City of Prescott utility statement, a valid email address, and access to your email inbox. When you are ready to begin, click on the red Pay Water Bill Online button. It will direct you to the Citizen Self-Service website. From there, click Log In. To log in for the first time, you have two options to authenticate your account. Either sign in with option 1, Google, Apple, Microsoft, or Facebook, or option 2, any valid email address. With option 1, you will use the streamlined approach with either Google's, Apple's, Microsoft's, or Facebook's method of authentication. With this method, you will not need to separately verify your email address. Please note, if you choose to sign in with Google, Apple, Microsoft, or Facebook, you must always use that option to log in, not the email address and password option. Also, for users who had an online account prior to October 30th, 2023, if possible, use the same email as your previous login for your online account before the upgrade, as the system will attempt to match the two accounts. It will save you a step later in the process. First, we will show an example of signing in with Google, which is one of the pre-verified options. Click or sign on with Google, either your Google email or the phone number you have set up with Google. You will then be prompted for your password. Google will then push a verification to your phone, or you can click Try Another Way if you prefer another method of verification, such as text message. For option 2, we will show an example of registering using your email, which will work for any valid email address. Click on the blue Sign Up link at the bottom of the prompt. From there, you will enter your email, first name, last name, and a password following the requirements presented. The system will then send you a verification code to the email address you entered. Use that code from the email and enter it into the blank box, then click Verify. Again, for users who had an online account prior to October 30th, 2023, if possible, use the same email as your previous login for your online account before the upgrade, as the system will attempt to match the two accounts. Once logged in, you will need to link your utility account to your profile. You will need your full 10-digit account number, which you can find on your utility statement. First, click on Utility Billing, then on Link to Account. Next, enter the first 5 digits of the account number in the first box for the account ID number, and then the last 5 digits in the second box for the CID or Customer Identification Number. Click on Submit. If the numbers are entered correctly, it will link your account. If not, you will get a notice that the account information on record does not match the information entered. To access the account information, click on the hyperlinked account number with the blue underline. From there, you can navigate to view the account summary or manage bills to pay with a credit card. Lastly, in the future, log in using the same method you used to create your account, either with the Google, Apple, Microsoft, or Facebook method, or by entering your email address and clicking Next to enter your password.